How you doing? It's Carlos, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Now, this is another Tool Time Tuesday update. It's not Tuesday, it's Thursday now, but one of the number one questions I get is which soldering iron is better, the Milwaukee iron or the Aussie iron? I tell people it's not that easy to choose which one is better because it depends how you use it. At the shop we use both and we're split. Two of my techs prefer the Aussie iron, me and Junior prefer the Aussie iron, and Alan and Gabriel prefer the Milwaukee, but that's because they like to leave it on, and when you leave it on, they'll leave it on through an entire job. It's something that you can't do with the Aussie iron. With the Aussie iron, it's only on while you hold the momentary button, then when you let go of the button, it's off. They do that for a reason, so you don't overheat and burn out the tip. So the guys are constantly leaving the irons on, and then this happens. The Teflon base actually overheats, and then if you drop it, the tip ends up snapping off. This is like the third or fourth time this has happened. I'm still on my second tip from Aussie iron, so the tips are consumable. The unit's been dropped, doesn't break, still rocking, still going. Plastic construction, aluminum construction. So there's times where I'm doing work and I like to prop the Milwaukee iron down and then solder over it, so it's convenient that it can stand up on its own base like that, and that's cool. But as far as durability, this is already the third time we've warranted this one. I know that it's less than 2 months because I still have the receipt. So the nice part about it is I get them through Home Depot, I just hold on to the receipt, so technically I have a lifetime warranty because they break so often. I just keep exchanging it using the receipt from the last one that I purchased. They never give me a hard time. But as far as build quality and reliability, Aussie iron is still the way to go. The Milwaukee's nice. It's nice that we have 8 or 9 batteries laying around the shop, so the thing can keep rocking all day long. But just gets annoying constantly having to run back. Like now we have 2 Aussie irons in the shop and we have 4 Milwaukee irons in the shop. 2 of the Milwaukees are down, so it just sucks that I got to run out and get them warranted. Don't have that issue with the Aussie. With the Aussie iron, you just got to keep a spare tip in hand, and then there's never any downtime as long as the battery doesn't fail, and I've been rocking this one for a few years and haven't had a battery failure yet. So if you could afford both, buy both. If you can only buy one, I would say buy the Aussie iron. If you already have a bunch of Milwaukee tools, I guess Milwaukee's the way to go, but you better buy more than one because you're going to be going through them. Now if you use it the way it's supposed to be used and you turn it on, you do the job, you solder a few wires, you turn it off, then you turn it on when it's time to solder again, this will not happen. I know this for a fact because I have my own personal Milwaukee iron in my toolbox that nobody's allowed to touch but me. This hasn't happened in my personal one. So I guess it's how you're going to use it and how you're going to take care of it makes a difference. So hope this video helps. Please stop abusing your tools. I'm going to beat up on my guys.